right, so I just let my soup kind of sit in there, and when everything starts floating to the top, you pretty much know that it's ready to go. So here on the side, you can see that the rice is kind of at the bottom. Sorry, flip around here. And you can just mix it up. If you don't like onions, don't like carrots, don't like whatever, don't add it, don't buy it. So this is a great and easy way to add whatever ingredients you enjoy. I added a little bit of the Chef Choice spice right in there, so to give it a little bit more flavor, but really none of this has sugar or salt added to it. It is directly just the vegetable or meat or whatever you add in there. So it may be lack of flavor, but the bouillon gave it a ton of flavor. So I just added a little bit more of that Chef's Choice to give it a little bit of a pepper kind of a seasoning to it. And let's see what all's in this. So salt, spices, onion, garlic, chili pepper, dextrose, citric acid, sugar, natural flavors. So if you're just doing one or two little, shakes, it's very easy and it gives it a ton of flavor. So as you can see, right here is my soup, and it has the potato, carrots, corn, and rice. And you could add any other veggie to it. So there's no limitation on what you can add. You can add chicken or beef or whatever. You can add broccoli. Trying to think of all the things, but there is no limitation. You make as much as you want. Right here is lunch, and I'm gonna go eat. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye for now.